What's going on, everybody? Welcome to DariusBuildz YouTube channel. A bunch of y'all are here because of my bag 2014 Mazda 6 Grand Touring, whether it has helped you find jack points, whether it helped you to replace these pesky Bose speakers or replace spark plugs. Majority of y'all are here because of this car. I have a few people that are here because of my Honda 400EX. We do have some work coming up on this. It is still not charging, so the stator on this will be next. We have a few people here because of my mini bikes, like my MB200 Warrior, but as you can see in my hand, that's in the back right now because the foot peg is broke off. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do about that. And some of my newer subscribers are here because they want to see the progress of my 1981 Chevy Caprice sedan that I got from my great-grandfather that I'm in the future gonna be LS swapping. About 3 or 4 y'all are here for my 2007 GMC Yukon. I feel like the transcooler install really brought a couple of y'all to the channel, and this 40K transmission cooler is working excellent. Ooh, these headlights look crispy. I think I gained about 2 or 3 subscribers due to the installations that I'll be doing. One of them being the Toshiba portable air conditioning unit, which works pretty good. Blows out cold air, gives a real nice relief when you're out here in the garage on these hot summer days. The RC cars, even though I have not worked on them in God knows how long, or drove them in God knows how long, has brought a couple of subscribers in well, and every now and again y'all do ask about them. And then last but not least, my 1983 Honda Big Red 200E has also brought a couple of subscribers to the channel. For all of my vehicles, for the most part, I do have separate playlists for them. So if you're looking for something in particular, please check it out or search the channel. Thank you very much for joining, subscribing, liking, and watching DariusBuildz. Thank you so much. And like always, think, build, and most importantly, enjoy. Peace.